Hello, I am Charlene Bicantera and I am 44 years old and I am fit to work from Philippines. I have one son at the age of 20 years old. He is already at college and me also I am a college graduate as associate in computer technology. And I am a single mom and I have five siblings with two boys and three girls. And I have also an experience in Bahrain as a nanny for 3 years old kid. And my duties and responsibilities there, I just only taking care of the baby and also cooking. And also I have an experience here in Philippines for 3 years and I serve the family of five. The age of the kids are uh, 2 years old, 4 years old, and 10 years old. And also my duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning the house, marketing, and also taking care of the dogs because they have the dogs. And also, ma'am and sir, if you have given me a chance to work in your family, I assure you that I'm going to take care of your family because I am a good person, a trustworthy person, and a responsible person. And also, ma'am, if you have given me a chance, also I will take care everything in the household. Thank you and more power to your family. See you soon to my future employer. Thank you and bye.